So we're outside of Port Colborne Poultry right now in Port Colborne, Ontario, and this is one of the slaughterhouses that Niagara Farm Animal Slave holds their vigils at. Over here is a house with a barn attached to the back, and the people there actually own the slaughterhouse, and they have chickens back there which they grow and then send over to Port Colborne Poultry, which is behind me. This is the most active slaughterhouse in Niagara. The other slaughterhouses are very inconsistent. Some days there's not even workers there, so that's why we're holding vigils at this location. A few times we've been here, we've seen a rendering truck come and dump dead bodies of chickens from this location over here into the rendering truck. So we're unsure of what really goes on in this area, but we know that a lot of killing goes on over in this area. If people want to find more information about how to get involved in Niagara Farm Animal Save, they can check us out on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, and we'd love to have more people over our vigils, and we currently have a pig at our vigils, so always a good time.